Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, I want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. At its core, a kitchen island with seating is a freestanding cabinet or countertop unit that serves as a multifunctional workstation while providing a designated area for people to sit. Unlike a traditional prep island, which is purely for cooking and storage, an island with seating incorporates an overhang, usually between 10 to 15 inches, to accommodate bar stools or counter height chairs. It effectively merges the culinary workspace with a dining area, bridging the gap between the kitchen and the living space. This design element turns the kitchen from a solitary room for chores into a social environment where the cook can interact with guests or family members without anyone getting in the way of the stove or sink. The advantages of incorporating seating into your kitchen island extend far beyond just having an extra place to sit. One of the primary benefits is the dramatic increase in social interaction. It allows the chef of the house to engage in conversation, help kids with homework, or host guests while preparing meals. Additionally, it provides a casual alternative to the formal dining room, perfect for quick breakfasts, morning coffee, or a glass of wine at the end of the day. From a functional standpoint, an island with seating adds significant value to your home by maximizing floor space in open concept layouts. It acts as a natural room divider that maintains a sense of airiness while providing extra storage drawers, cabinets, and a vast expanse of workspace. In smaller homes, it can even replace a traditional dining table entirely, freeing up square footage for other uses to make your kitchen island a stunning focal point. You need to balance functionality with aesthetic appeal. Start by choosing seating that complements your overall kitchen palette. For example, if you have a neutral white kitchen, consider stools in a warm wood tone or a bold velvet fabric to add texture and a pop of color. Lighting is the next crucial element, hanging a trio of pendant lights or a singular oversized linear chandelier above the island not only illuminates your workspace but also anchors the island in the room. On the countertop, less is often more. A large organic wooden bowl filled with seasonal fruit, a high-quality marble tray holding a candle and a small vase of greenery, or a stack of aesthetically pleasing cookbooks can make the space feel curated rather than cluttered. Don't forget the power of symmetry. Aligning your stools neatly and ensuring the decor is centered can create a sense of harmony and professional design. When it comes to style, the possibilities are nearly endless, but a few standout trends currently dominate the world of interior design. For those who love a timeless look, the modern farmhouse style is a top choice. Featuring chunky wooden legs, white shiplap siding, and woven rattan stools for a cozy rustic feel. If your taste leans more toward the contemporary and industrial style, island might suit you, utilizing dark metal frames, reclaimed wood tops, and sleek leather stools to create a moody urban vibe. For a touch of luxury, the minimalist modern style focuses on waterfall countertops, where the stone or quartz spills over the edges all the way to the floor, paired with low-profile backless stools for a clean, seamless silhouette. Lastly, the transitional style remains a crowd favorite by blending traditional cabinetry with modern hardware and elegant upholstered seating, ensuring the kitchen feels both sophisticated and incredibly welcoming. Choosing a kitchen island with seating is more than just a renovation choice. It is a lifestyle upgrade. It changes the way you move through your home and how you connect with the people you love. Whether you are looking for a sleek, modern marble surface or a warm, rustic wood finish, the right island becomes the heartbeat of the house. We hope this guide has inspired you to look at your kitchen through a new lens and given you the confidence to design a space that is as beautiful as it is practical. Remember, the best design is one that reflects your personality and makes your daily routines feel just a little bit more special. If you found these kitchen design tips helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration every week. We want to hear from you which style of kitchen island is your favorite. Are you a fan of the modern waterfall edge or the classic farmhouse look? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to turn your house into a dream home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.